Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a makeup essential that everyone loves, a felt tip eyeliner. If you're all about sharp wings, smooth lines, and long-lasting wear, then this one's for you. I'll be counting down my top 5 favorite felt tip eyeliners that give you great pigment, precision, and staying power without breaking the bank. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have L'Oréal Paris Felt Tip Eyeliner. Starting off strong at number 1, we have the L'Oréal Paris Felt Tip Eyeliner. L'Oréal has been a trusted brand for ages, and their felt tip liner doesn't disappoint. This one is all about precision. The tip is super fine, which gives you control over the thickness of your line, whether you're going for a subtle look or a bold wing. What I like, the color payoff is fantastic. It's a deep, true black that doesn't smudge once it dries down. The felt tip glides effortlessly over the eyelid without tugging, making it easy for beginners too. What could be better? While it's long-lasting, it's not entirely waterproof, so if you have oily lids or expect a full day of wear, you may need to touch up. Who this is best for? This is perfect for anyone who wants that sharp, precise line and doesn't mind a bit of reapplying on very long days. Moving on to the next at number 2 with e.l.f. Felt Tip Eyeliner. Next up, at number 2, we have the e.l.f. Felt Tip Eyeliner. If you're looking for an affordable option that gets the job done without compromise, this is it. e.l.f. is well known for quality makeup at a budget-friendly price, and this felt tip eyeliner is no exception. What I like, this liner has a nice, even flow of ink that doesn't dry out halfway through application. It's a solid, intense black that lasts quite well throughout the day. I also appreciate that it's cruelty-free, so you can look great while staying ethical. What could be better? The felt tip is slightly softer, so if you're aiming for an ultra-thin line, you might need a steady hand. It also takes a moment longer to dry than some of the pricier options, so keep that in mind. Who this is best for? Ideal for budget-conscious makeup lovers who want good pigmentation without the high price tag. The number 3 position is held by Physicians Formula Felt Tip Eyeliner. Coming in at number 3, we have Physicians Formula Felt Tip Eyeliner. This is a great option if you have sensitive skin or eyes. Physicians Formula has a reputation for being gentle and hypoallergenic, and this liner is no exception. What I like, the formula is dermatologically tested, and I find that it works well even if you have sensitive eyelids. It gives you a smooth line with a fairly intense black pigment. The tip is also on the sturdier side, so it's easy to control the thickness of your lines without any wobble. What could be better? The longevity is decent but not amazing. It's not as resistant to smudging as some other options, so if you plan to wear it all day or in humid weather, it might fade. Who this is best for? Perfect for those with sensitive eyes who need a reliable liner that won't irritate. Next at number 4, we have Rimmel Felt Tip Eyeliner. At number 4, we have Rimmel Felt Tip Eyeliner. Rimmel's felt tip liner is all about getting that intense, jet black color that lasts through the day. Plus, it's designed to be waterproof, which is a huge plus if you need all-day wear. What I like, this eyeliner has one of the darkest black pigments I've seen in an affordable eyeliner. Once it sets, it doesn't smudge or transfer, even in humid conditions. It's also a waterproof formula, so it holds up well on oily lids or during long wear. What could be better? The tip is on the thicker side, which makes it a bit challenging to create super fine lines. So if you like a more delicate look, this one might require a bit more finesse. Who this is best for? Great for those who want a bold, all-day black that won't budge, especially in warmer or more humid climates. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Wet n Wild Felt Tip Eyeliner. Finally, rounding out our top 5, we have the Wet n Wild Felt Tip Eyeliner. Wet n Wild is known for creating affordable products that deliver, and this eyeliner is no exception. It's a great pick if you're looking for a solid liner on a budget. What I like, the felt tip is easy to control, and the pigmentation is pretty impressive for such an affordable product. I love how smoothly it applies, making it great for beginners or anyone who just needs an everyday eyeliner. What could be better? The wear time isn't as long as some of the other liners on this list. It might start to fade after several hours, especially if you have oily lids or plan to wear it for an entire day. Who this is best for? This is a great choice for makeup beginners or anyone looking for an everyday liner without breaking the bank. So there you have it, my top 5 felt tip eyeliners. From the high-end L'Oréal Paris to the affordable Wet n Wild, there's something for everyone. Whether you need an intense, jet black liner that'll stay all day or something gentle for sensitive eyes, these picks have you covered. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest beauty reviews. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite felt tip eyeliner? Are you a fan of any of these, or do you have another go-to? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.